Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. Sorry for making you wait since the last episode. My end of course exams are coming up, so I've had to focus on my studies, but I'll have much more time once they're done. Anyway, this is the next episode of my Python learning journey. Today, we're going to master functions. Since we already discussed variable scope in a previous video, today we'll focus on making our functions more powerful. Basic functions. The flexible asterisk args and kwargs, and a cool shortcut called lambda functions. First, let's look at the basic structure of a function in Python. We use def to create a function. Like in any programming language, a function must include round brackets, or it will throw an error. Also, there are two basic types of parameters. First, there are parameters without default values, like the name variable here. Second, there are parameters with default values. If you don't provide a value when calling the function, it will automatically use the default one. When calling a function, simply type its name and provide the necessary values. You can also assign the returned value to a variable using standard syntax. But what if you don't know how many items you'll be handling? Python gives us two special tools, args and kwargs. Args allows you to pass any number of positional arguments as a tuple. You use it by adding one asterisk before the parameter name. This way, the function receives a tuple of arguments and can access them accordingly. On the other hand, kwargs allows you to pass named arguments as a dictionary. You can use this by adding two asterisks before the parameter name. Personally, I suggest using these only when necessary. Using args and kwargs can sometimes make your code harder to read, but it offers incredible flexibility since you can pass an unlimited number of arguments. Remember, when using these, you'll need to unpack them inside the function, just like we learned with lists and dictionaries in our last video. Here is a pro tip. You can actually use both args and kwargs in the same function. This makes your code infinitely flexible. Python is smart enough to distinguish between the two. Args packs positional numbers into a tuple, while kwargs packs named data into a dictionary. One important rule, the order matters. In your function definition, args must always come before kwargs. If you flip them, Python will throw a syntax error. Now, let's talk about lambda functions. Sometimes you need a small function for a short period, and you don't want to go through the whole def process. We call these anonymous functions. A lambda function can take any number of arguments but can only have one expression. It's perfect for quick calculations or when you need to pass a function as an argument to others, like map or filter. It's all about writing cleaner, shorter code. To wrap things up, use standard functions for complex logic. Use args and kwargs for flexible inputs. Use lambda for quick, one-line operations. In the next video, we will tackle the final bosses of functions, decorators, recursion, and generators. If you're finding this series helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to support my journey. Leave a comment below if you've ever used a lambda function before. Thanks for watching, and happy coding!